Did you know that you can use AI-assisted feedback in Kami? You'll find that under the comment menu and the second option, Generate Feedback. When you select that option, this window will appear where you can select the grade level of the work, the language the work is in, and the pages you'd like reviewed. Then you'll have this box of what type of feedback would you like to give. Here, you can enter any rubrics, standards, or a prompt. For this assignment, an essay about the Olympics, we've done this for a few years. So I already have a rubric that I've graded this assignment with in the past. All I need to do is go to File, Download, and save it as a PDF. When I return to Kami, I can then attach that PDF, and it will utilize that when creating the feedback. Additionally, if I've used Kami comments for a while now, I can use those past comments to help set the tone for the new comments generated. Then I'm going to select Generate Feedback. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the processing taking place. And in a moment, the comments will appear on the right side of the screen. But don't worry, the students don't see these comments yet. You, as the teacher, need to approve them. So here's my first comment. It says, remember, check your spelling. The correct spelling is learning. I don't really want it to give away that spelling yet. I'm going to delete that part because I don't want them to get the spelling from the comment. I just want to say, check your spelling. Now I'll approve that comment, and the student will see it on their side. They'll be able to have it read aloud to them, and they'll be able to have that comment translated. I can continue with the feedback, editing as I need, and then approving. And then I'm able to provide that timely, actionable feedback to students in a very meaningful way.